Welcome back to another video in the View into Huck's World, and we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. That's going to be a paid watch face this time. I know you're tired of freebies, so I thought I'd give you a break and dig deep and find you a nice paid watch face that was definitely reasonable. Now I paid 99 cents in the Gift Manager store for this one, and I'm giving it my stamp of approval. At the end of the day, you tell me, what did you think about this watch face? With that, let's get started. Now the name of the watch face is called Style Watch. Very nice in the detail. I like the layout. Everything is very legible. In the AOD mode, you're going to get, I want to say, an elegant look to an AOD mode. It really looks nice for an analog watch face. And once the watch face is on, what you're greeted with, of course, is analog. I like the hands. It does stand out. And then you got digital time in 24 hours, so you get the best of both worlds. And you do get shortcuts that's going around the bezel of the watch. You're going to be able to go into your email, make a phone call, set an alarm, go into your S-Health, well, yes, your Bixby if you want, and you also can go into your weather. All those things you can do with a single tap. But I really like the detailing of this watch face. It really makes it stands out. It looks like a really fun watch face, as well as a dress up and or a super casual watch face as well. But what I really like most about this watch face is the color theme. So with a single tap, you just cycle through the many different colors and themes that this watch face has to offer. And for the price of 99 cents, I'm gonna have to say it was definitely worth it. And this is the daytime watch face that I thought was awesome. So far, the detailing that's going around the bezel of the watch. For analog watch face, this needs to be one in your lineup. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.